Hi guys, hi beautiful people. Welcome to your favorite vegetarians channel, Macoms Veg Kitchen. Thank you so much for always stopping by to watch our beautiful videos. I trust you all are doing well and in good shape. So in today's video, I'm back again with something creamy and delicious, and it's sweet rice. Just sit back, relax and enjoy the video. Our ingredients are just three. We are using milk, that is vegan or plant-based milk, rice and brown sugar. You need a lot of milk. I start off by adding my milk to a fine pot on fire. I'm going to leave it for about 5 to 10 minutes so it can warm up and start boiling. After the set time, I get back and my milk is just about to boil, so I'll go in with my rice so it can boil together. Just after adding the rice, I do well to give it a good mix so it does not curdle or form lumps. While stirring, I notice my milk isn't enough, so I go in with a bowl of milk and I keep stirring. Mind you, we are not using water in this preparation, it's just milk. So I cover it up and leave it to cook for some extra minutes. After the set time, I get back to give it a good mix, and as you can see, it's beginning to form some lumps, so I stir it up in order to break all the lumps and have a very smooth porridge. At this point, it's beginning to thicken, so I go in with another bowl of milk and I cover it up for some few minutes. After the set time, I get back and there you have it. We are almost there. It's almost cooked. It's soft at this point, but not so soft. So I would want to go in with my milk again and just leave it to continue the cooking process. I added 2 bowls of milk at this point and I give it a good stir. I lower the heat at this point because it's almost cooked, so I would want it to just take its time and cook so it doesn't burn. And just look at that, it's so creamy and trust me, it's yummy. I would want to go in with my sugar at this point. I added about 2.5 scoops of brown sugar and I do well to give it a good mix. You can add the sugar to your taste however you want it. Just after adding the sugar, do well to mix it all up thoroughly. And I also add my last batch of milk and give it a good stir. And food is almost ready, so I cover it up to finish the cooking process. And after about 3 to 5 minutes, my sweet rice is ready. Look at all that goodness. Creamy, yummy, delicious. Trust me, I need not say more. You know this is going to be a hit. You are going to enjoy. Anybody at all can have it and you can consume it at any time of the day. It's perfect for breakfast, perfect for dinner. If you want to have something light before going to bed, this is just perfect. And you can use it to break your fast as well. Highly nutritious sweet rice. Thank you so much guys for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, do well to give it a big thumbs up as it helps the channel grow. Also subscribe if you haven't already. Share to your friends, contact all your loved ones. Let them come and be a part of this wonderful channel. Let's get interactive in the comment section. And until next time, stay beautiful, stay positive. Bon appetit. Bye.